time to get you married.
Water is only being consumed by fishes.
And the next 3 days are about to be very competitive. So cute. क्या कितना बाकी है? अब पहला फंक्शन है गाइस. जितना साल की उम्र हो उतने हजार. ननंद है. ये ननंद है. Welcome to Mridul and Adi's wedding vlog. I can't believe we're here. We've been talking about this day and this time for so long. In case you're wondering how come I already have a mehndi on me, you need to make sure you catch the vlog that has the first 2 days of my stay here in Rishikesh. We actually flew in. When I say we, hi Jerry. We flew in 2 days before the wedding. We wanted to be around, we wanted to get some work done. We actually enjoyed exploring Rishikesh a bit and had some special moments with the bridegroom and their family. I will leave that link down below in the description section, so make sure you check that out. It is officially time to start getting ready for the first function. We are in Rishikesh at this wonderful property called Antalya that Mridul, Adi and their families have selected, and they have done us the very sweet help of setting up stations for makeup and hair. I'm going to be doing my own makeup for absolutely everything because you know I'm obsessed with that, and I am however going to be getting help for my hair, and I was thinking maybe I'm just going to take help for hair for all functions, so that's one less thing that I need to do. But first things first, do you know what this is? This is a little welcome basket that has been placed in our room. I am yet to open it. Let's go quickly check it out on what's inside. Okay, ignore this. The husband has got me some snacks. There's some Lays in here. And this is the very sweet basket that I actually saw them do full setup of last evening. This, I'm very sure, is from Simba. We've got a really beautiful picture of the bride and groom from their Goldhana over here. And it says, from me to we. True love is when both people think that they're the lucky one. That is such a nice line, Jerry. You and I are always telling each other about how you think you lucked out. And I keep saying, I think I lucked out. This is so nice. Wait, what's inside? Okay, we've got some games over here, some tic-tac-toe, some join the dots, and we've got the order of the events with a whole lot of info on the inside as well. Okay, inside the bag we have a whole lot of snacks. This is so nice and so thoughtful. Okay, so how I've sorted all my outfits, jewelry, bags, everything related to my looks for this wedding is that I've put everything into a PDF. Yes, I'm obsessed. I need to sit and stare at it for a couple of seconds, figure out what hair I want for what, so that I can decide what hair I want for this first function. My hair actually has a really nice blow dry, kind of straightish thing going on right now, because I did get a hair wash and blow dry before coming to Rishikesh, which has lasted really well, I have to say. So I'm just gonna sit, figure that angle out. My clothes have already been ironed because I came in about 2 days before everyone else. I decided to get the clothes ironed सबसे पहले, ताकि मुझे वेट टाइम में रुकना ना पड़े. झरी के भी कपड़े मैंने सारे इस्त्री करवा के यहाँ पे करवा दिए, स्टीम आयन करवा के, and all my looks are here. So Janvi and I are both debating whether we should actually bother doing anything to our hair, because हमारे बाल straight लग रहे हैं, काफी अच्छे लग रहे हैं. I'm thinking कि कल के डांस के लिए ना, I want to do that very simple twist here, so that वो थोड़ा दूर रहे, and I've got big earrings again for tomorrow's look.
Same.
And then in the day for the first half haldi, I'll do curls, so that curls will be there, plus I'll just do this twisty and I'm sorted. And Feras, I'll do a bun.
Nice, all different then.
Yeah, all different.
Good. I'm so planning to keep it this way, and if you will also do that, then I'll be very happy.
Okay, fine, done. I'll give you company and हम दोनों का अच्छा हो जाएगा.
Done.
Let's try to see if we can go meet Mridul.
Yeah.
We can go say hi to her
We need
before.
to send this to Alfia and Ashi. They don't have heat protected.
But वो खाना खा रहे हैं ना वैसे भी, अभी तो
They're like, send it to
बाजू वाले
Tanam.
कमरे में ही है.
और यहाँ से बाहर जाऊँ कि balcony में?
They're not coming out, na? That is the point.
He's a very sarcastic ass. You have to get
It's
used to
okay.
his humor. Okay, so ignore how messy my electronic station is. It's only going to get messier because there's going to be footage, work, all of that happening here. Wedding stuff is here, random pouches here, my night suit is there. I've carried only 2 pairs of heels. How proud are you of me that I did not overpack? Because मैं जानती हूँ वहाँ पे कुछ ज़्यादा दिखने भी नहीं वाला है. मेरी एक साड़ी का ब्लाउज, my jewelry, मैंने सारे अपने clutches, bags को यहाँ पे रख दिए हैं, and खाली जगह भी है. This is where my bag sits, and इसको मैं ऐसे ही रहने दूँगी to be on the safe side. I'm gonna try to film some get ready with me vertical content यहाँ पे या तो फिर mirror के सामने. So when you see those videos, you know that they were shot in this room. Also, the wedding functions are all happening right here in our little backyard. हम पहले नीचे ground floor पे रह रहे थे और अब हम यहाँ पे third floor पे आ गए हैं. So this is what it is. This is literally overlooking the Ganga River, which is so beautiful. This entire view is so stunning. And the theme for this particular function, the Mehendi, is Amalfi Coast. So you're seeing some of those Italian elements over here. Looks so nice already. I can't wait for the functions to begin. We have a couple of comfortable chairs in case we feel like watching from the balcony at any point of time for the preps. Obviously function ke time pe to hum niche hi honge. It is 2:04 p.m. right now, Jerry. My aim is to be ready by 4. So I feel by 4. Function starts at 5. What do you mean today? Of course today. So I think I can give myself about 10-15 minutes of just pure rest. Then I will set up my camera, film some vertical content while getting ready, and we're gonna get going from there. Before I go any further into this very wholesome and fun vlog, I have a new beauty product that I want to discuss with you here today. The Himalaya Dark Spot Clearing Turmeric Face Serum actually came recommended from a friend. So when I had the opportunity to include this and share it with you in one of my videos, I absolutely said yes. This is a cold pressed turmeric extract that works to visibly reduce your dark spots in 7 days. It is said to reduce dullness and boost skin's radiance 100 times over because of how good the turmeric extract is. It comes with the best of science steamed up with glycolic acid and niacinamide. The texture of the serum feels very luxe, very lightweight, very non-greasy, and goes on very easily. The drop-on packaging of this, I have to say, are really good quality too. This lightweight formula quickly absorbs into your skin and leaves you with clear, radiant skin over a period of time. This product is available on HimalayaWellness.com, apart from which it is also available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. I'm leaving all the links for you down below in the description section, so don't miss out. Now, let's get back to the vlog. To nobody's surprise, we're the first two to arrive here. Mridul was here for a second looking for Aarti. She's getting things sorted over there. The setup looks so nice. We are hardcore in Amalfi with this particular theme, and they've done it so nicely. The bride is very hands-on. She is making last-minute changes to the decor. All the detailing that you must have seen on the glasses in the previous vlog bases their wedding story, their love story here.
You tell us look, and then we look at each other.
Take one step ahead. 1, 2, 3, go. Go.
So cute! क्या कितना बाकी है? अब पहला फंक्शन है गाइज.
पहला फंक्शन का पहला 15 मिनट.
Gopali is so down to earth, you guys, literally. Apparently हम कुछ कर रहे हैं और हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि हम कर क्या रहे हैं. ब्राइड और ग्रूम की एंट्री होने वाली है. अंकल पूरे महीने भर का एक्चुअली कंटेंट रेडी फुल.
ये तो इसने तो कितने डांस कर लिए अलग-अलग सॉन्ग.
Cameras, can you count the cameras?
Se acabaron las vacaciones. Pasa en mi corazón, please return it. Tengo que llenarlo de todas las canciones que me recuerden a ti. Tengo mucho ganas de besarte. Yo sé cómo siento junto y aparte. Borrachos, lindas vibras y vermut en la calle, pero no está aquí. Otro atardecer más en tu cama. Tú te desnudas, me quitas el drama. Me hace falta tu amor, baby. Me falta tu amor. Cantar y no puedo escucharlo. Me falta.
कर रही है.
I'm restoring energy.
This has gotten aggressive very quickly.
The next 3 days are about to be very competitive. There are lots of games that are happening.
We are going there to discuss our strategy क्योंकि मैडी के कान बहुत तेज है.
Oh, but she's the bride, yeah. She's the bride.
So, वो जीतने के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
ये ननंद है. ये ननंद है. ननंद का असली रंग.
We know we're gonna win. We don't need to plan and plot like them.
और रक्षा का बंधन.
और इसका बंधन.
और मैं
Yeah, actually, that's true. She's like मैं अटक गई. Shit.
So he's made a deal with me कि ये वाले में he'll play with the groom. The next one he'll play from my end.
Nice, nice. Good diplomacy tactics. Hey, she's groom side. Of course. Your bride side, Johnny.
I think we can bribe you to come to our side.
ये नानी मॉकटेल रेस होता है ना. अरे अब हम नहीं पीते तो हम क्या करेंगे? अलग से.
From the cups we made yesterday.
Yes. यहाँ पे काफी स्पोर्ट्समैनशिप थोड़ी सी हीटी हो जा रही है. गर्ल्स वर्सेस बॉयज हो रहा है. गर्ल्स साइड वर्सेस बॉयज साइड हो रहा है. मैं थोड़ी सी कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ. क्या चल रहा है? क्या चल रहा है? They're all supposed to drink and run and drink, something like that.
दोनों टीम वहाँ पे खड़े रहेंगे लाइन में. यहाँ पे ग्लासेस रख रहे हैं लाइन में. You have to come, you have to chug the glass,
Of
eat the
beer.
glass. वहाँ पे जाके क्लैप करना है नेक्स्ट वाले को और फिर ही वो आएगा. पहले बाबा.
This
I
is
know.
the setup over here. The relay starts here. Mridul, 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 Three, two, one, go. So the game plan that Alfia and I have is that there are less people on the boys side now for the mocktail round. ऐसे करेंगे कि हम दोनों join कर लेते हैं और जानबूझकर हार जाते हैं और हरा देते हैं. That way Mridul team will win. Running apparently.
The Phoebe run. 3, 2, 1, go.
नहीं टग ऑफ वॉर अलग गेम हुई. नो वन सेकंड. टग ऑफ वॉर कैन नॉट बी पार्ट ऑफ जूता छुपाई. नो इट कांट बी. वी कांट अग्री. Why would you approve it? Look at us. We're useless.
Because I don't want your nails to be broken and snatch. So which is why I was like, tug of war is fair.
See, as long as he pays us, we are fine. He can buy us out there. He can buy us out there also. Deal कर लेते. पैसे दे दो, हम तक भी हार जाएंगे. नहीं देख आधी. Simple. Every साली should get 10,000 rupees. 11. Okay, shagun.
150 रुपया दे.
क्या है यार ये?
एक का 150 नहीं, दो का 300, 450, 600,
What is this? What is this? हाँ.
तुम दो लोग मेरे लिए
I swear. नहीं आदि सीरियसली. अच्छा जितनी उम्र हो ना साली की उतने 1000. मैंने बोला जितना साली की उम्र हो उतने हजार.
1000.
No, you'll get 22,000 now.
मैं 2001.
अरे गधी, you're 22, so you'll get 22,000. इसका क्या मैथ है?
It's C2H5OH. Everyone has to take beer, wine, whiskey, vodka, gin. Nothing else. It's
Not
called
water.
C2H5OH. No water. Water is only being consumed by fishes.
And me.
Not
me.
by humans.
Me.
Not by humans.
Dude, Uncle is too cool. Jerry is such a fan. I'm such a fan. Uncle, मैं science में fail हुई. मैं सिर्फ H2O पीती हूँ. H2O.
H2O?
Only H2O.
You drink only H2O?
Only H2O.
You are always on ground state. We all are in excited state.
And I'm in swimming state. I'm a fish, apparently. Sweet. I've become knock monitor. Chalo. Listen, good decision taking the jacket out. This is fab without it. Jerry thinks he looks like statue. No, not Statue of Liberty. What? The Oscar award. You're my Oscar award, baby. You're my Oscar award. I don't know how long you guys have been watching my vlogs for, but ये हमारे रोज सुबह की morning routine हुआ करती थी for the longest time, where I make him wear his wedding band. बीच में थोड़ी सी tight हो गई थी, तो मैंने resize मैंने resize करवा दिया. No, you didn't get fat, baby.
Support and सब कुछ.
I think one complete package I got it by God and दिल से.
इनडायरेक्टली सर यहाँ पर बोलना चाहते हैं बुढ़ापे तक मुझे किसी और को देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. I've got such a beautiful wife next to me. Straight.
हाथ दे दो Is she the one? हाँ किसी को तो हाथ पकड़ेगा ही. Let's see whether he is able to guess it or no.
To your left.
Left. You going wrong.
Perfect.
अच्छा मैं किधर सीधा जाऊँ लेफ्ट जाऊँ
Okay.
Almost there.
That's the one. Good one. Can you all please have a Mridul needs to actually recognize कहाँ पर है उनके होने वाले.
It's her turn. हाँ इसको नीचे से दिखेगा. कोई बात नहीं, हम उसकी टीम पे करने दो.
Actually he's getting ready. सभी रेस निकाल रहे हैं भाई साहब.
Oh ho, look at the prep.
He's like कि मैं ही जीतूंगा ये गेम में.
I saw that.
He's so smart यार. Look at him.
Look at him. What did he do? He's fully trying to trick you. You were trying to help him. Swap कर दिया उसने सब कुछ. घड़ी पहन रहा है, कड़ा निकाल रहा है. Go to your left. Left. Mridul, left. More left. Guys, give your hands. Oh.
इसमें तो बाल ही नहीं है.
अरे बाल किसी के
She's pulling the hair.
चीटिंग है.
Left.
ये लग रहा है थोड़ा. या ये.
मैंने बोला था नाखून को बिल्कुल.
अरे बट हमारे नाखून में प्रॉब्लम है, उनके नाखून में प्रॉब्लम थोड़ी है.
But before even saying it, she took a longer time, you know, while she was feeling
Yeah,
it.
agreed.
But that's a good one. So we got both of them move on over here. But जिन्होंने सबसे कम टाइम लिया था, that is her.
Yeah.
Yeah, he took lesser time. Can you all please clap hands for?
जो लोगों को कुछ समझ नहीं आता उनको ये शब्द
Psycho.
क्लब भी है मुंबई में.
Jeez. Psycho. Madness. पागलपन. उसके नाम का क्लब है. माताहारी. क्या है?
को बजाते हैं और
कान के नीचे.
रुकना भाई को बजाते हैं और ये उसमें क्या बोलते हैं अपन को
And action.
दूसरे से अपन बात भी कर सकते हैं.
टेलीफोन.
मारते हैं और बच्चे भी खेलते हैं उससे.
बराबर.
शायद आपने गोल घूमता है एकदम.
मैडम एक्शन नहीं करने.
शायद आपने कुछ और समझा एक बार. मैकडॉनल्ड्स में मिलता है वो.
बच्चे खेलते हैं उससे.
हिंदी
एक्शन नहीं करना. बोलो.
तो हाँ इसको नहीं मिलेगा. लड्डू.
डालते हैं ना.
चाय पत्ती.
वो कौन लाके देता है हमें रोज सुबह एवरी डे?
दूध
वाला.
Okay, back to normal. ये भाई साहब बोल रहे हैं चेयर टूटे मेरा पैर. ऐसे जितने भी फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं, ठीक है, आप सभी को डांस करते करते यहाँ पर आना है हल्दी लगाने के लिए. एंड कैन वी हैव द म्यूजिक विद देम? लेट्स प्ले इट आउट. कम ऑन ऑल द फ्रेंड्स.
It is so hot and I'm so tired. I snacked a little bit down during the function. Now all I've gotten are some fries. I don't even feel like eating so much because it's like, okay, my makeup is held up quite nice. I'm looking dewy, but I don't want to take it off. I want to just build on it for the evening function. So I'm going to eat some fries, maybe get some soup if it gets cooler over here because bahar garmi thi, yahan pe AC is obviously on hai. And then I will decide कि और क्या खाना है या नहीं खाना. I'm loving the jewelry with this look. I really am. This is Janvi and me. Both of us had a soup because someone recommended it, which was yummy. And now we're both sharing a sweet lassi because we're going from hot to cold. We will.
प्लेट में देख के बोल के वाओ मुझे वही चाहिए.
We've come come for a quick rehearsal before the function in the evening between lunch and now. So I'm in my night suit, and uncle auntie are so adorable. I'm in love with them as a couple, honestly.
Content creators in a room.
Everybody wanted to get that chai shot.
They might collab.
That Janvi is pouring in Gopali.
special. इसको इतना
It's the Ori of chais. Sorry again. Take two. Cheers. I'm super bloated, so I want to start off with that disclaimer. I have Big Bang Theory playing at the back, and I look like a poodle. I don't know what I did wrong, but I tongued my hair ulta and I'm not carrying a straightener, so I went and borrowed one from the girls. I have Ashi and Alfia in this room. I have Gopali and Janvi in this room, so that's handy. My tongue is with Janvi and Ashi's straightener is with me. And I'm so grateful for this situation because my hair is literally making me look like a poodle. I need to fix it. I'm clearly wearing my night suit pajamas. Niche ka dikh raha hai? Over my blouse from the next outfit. I'm not planning to go to the function like this. Yeah, outfit from scratch mein to aapne ab tak dekh hi liya hoga, obviously. And I need to fix this. I need to get some vertical content going, but I realize I want to show you my OOTDs here in the vlogs also. तो ये हो जाने के बाद निकलने से पहले मैं एक और चेक इन करूँगी और आपको दिखाऊंगी कि exactly हो क्या रहा है यहाँ पे and my final look. ये better दिख रहा है ना ये side than this pony के साथ Jerry. Jerry is vlogging for me. This is looking better than this, na?
Yeah.
The straight one. I'm gonna dance in this function, so I wanna look like. I wanna look nice.
But you're the most beautiful poodle in the whole wide world.
So you're saying that I am looking like the poodle?
But the most beautiful poodle.
I don't want to be the most beautiful poodle. I am ready, so is Gerard. We just filmed the closing clips for our outfit from scratch and we're ready to go down. I think everyone should be ready sometime around now. So let's go ahead and get to the function. Wait, see, can you see all the spotlight stuff? Let's go out and see what it's looking like from here. Every function has had such beautiful decor and there's a lot of neon going on today because that's how the light setup is. In fact, I believe some people are getting stuff done in their hair so that it shines bright in the neon lights as well. I think that this looks stunning. That is the stage that we're going to perform on. Yahan pe sab kuch dikh raha hai because we're on the 3rd floor. It's perfect. So nice. Okay, let's go down.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Okay, now like this looks like the even more fun part. All of us danced, we had our dinner, and there's a game of Housey. Apparently there are 20 winners up for grabs, and the competitive side of me is telling myself to chill as much as possible. How many competitive people here?
No, I'm not competitive. हाउसी में तो लगता ही नहीं.
You तो होना ही था ना, हम दोनों तो सेम but different ही है.
हाउसी में हमें इतना नहीं होता है. मेरे को वो why did we lose man? हम क्या दुनियादारी से आगे बढ़ चुके हैं.
मेरे means lucky 7.
Lucky 7. नहीं आया. 41 नहीं आया. किसी को आया? I got it.
नेक्स्ट लकी नंबर जो सबसे ज्यादा आंसर्स देगा उसको भी एक प्राइज दे सकते हैं.
मेरे को एक आया. 3 down.
चलो.
Not bad.
मृदुल्स फेवरेट कंट्री, उस कंट्री का कोड है वो.
हो गया. किसी का जल्दी 7 हो गया और मैं यहाँ 3 पे अटकी हुई हूँ. गाइस कितने हुए तुम लोग के?
कौन जीता ये?
1. You guys कितने हुए?
हम दोनों एक ही में खेलेंगे.
Everything is done except for full houses. I have 5 that I need. Am I gonna get it? Am I not gonna get it? यहाँ पे सब थोड़ा सबको मिल रहा है. Clearly ये जिंक्स ग्रुप में चल रही है. So unhappy. उसके 3 निकले.
5 हुआ.
Alfia, how many do you need?
Just 1.
Mao? 3, same as me. 3 now.
I need 9. 9 more.
तो लूजर बुला रही है. This is where I am. मिला तेरे को फुल हाउस?
बिना प्राइस का फुल.
इतनी फोटो लेती हुई मेरी 1-2 लेती है.
साली अब भी बोल रही थी कितनी अच्छी डेडिकेटेड सिस्टर, जाके ये जमीन से रुमाल उठा के हटाया है.
जा जल्दी जा.
चटका भी हूँ ना.
Sister goals. Not only are they twinning, Gopali is also getting some kick-ass pictures. For Janvi over here. नहीं दे रही हूँ ना मैं, ये लो credit.
वही मैं बोली thank God.
It is almost 1 a.m. Came back to the room, changed into my night suit, picked up the orange lace that Jerry got me. He wants one more kiss. Literally, it is 12:53. Give you one more kiss. Mwah. And I am headed next door, right behind this wall, to Gopali and Janvi's room. What happened? Mwah. Good night. हम हमारा ही डांस वीडियो देखकर इम्प्रेस हो रहे हैं कि वाओ, जो रिहर्सल में सिंक नहीं हो पाया वो स्टेज पे हो ही गया. शुक्र. Dude, she's a star. She stepped off stage, adjusted her button smoothly. She came back.
उसके बाद में ज्यादा मजा आ रही है.
Living on the edge, baby.
Guys, कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे कभी जीजू हमको एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा 151.
हाँ, I hope you remember. हेलो.
क्यों इनको एक्स्ट्रा?
Because हम उनकी तरफ से खेले थे.
लेस भागे और जीते भी ना.
हाँ, मैं भी.
1 second. I made my team lose. You owe me more.
Oh! Dulha is getting ready to leave.
Water. Stay hydrated.
Yes, stay high. Absolutely. ये लो, आज का निकल रहे लोग सुबह के 3 बजे. इसने कल रात का प्लान बना दिया है. Time to get you married. जानवी निकाल रही. Come on, Mridul. You got this. They don't got this. Shit trauma of our day. You fucking serious? By the way, this is all her fault.